Hey, what's up, everybody? So, sleeping in, barely waking up, or been up for about maybe 4 hours already, since probably like 3 or 4 in the morning. So, I'm in bed right now. It's a late time change, eyes red, wifey's asleep. So, yeah, sorry if I haven't made a video, you guys, but um, I'm gonna be making content this week. We're actually traveling out towards Oklahoma, Ardmore, Oklahoma, um, this week. So we leave uh Tuesday at 3 in the morning. So you guys gonna get my contact then. I'm gonna make a video probably Monday evening of the stuff we're gonna take up there. But other than that, that's pretty much it. But yeah, so we're heading towards Ardmore, Oklahoma. Our midway point from what it said on Google was Riley, New Mexico. So leaving here at 3 in the morning on Tuesday, be out there by 1 o'clock California time in Riley, New Mexico. But we're 2 hours ahead of they're out 2 hours ahead of us, so they should be at 3:45 in the morning. I'm assuming that's how it works. But if I'm wrong, quote me I'm wrong and just let me know down there what time would it be if I'm traveling from California to Raleigh, New Mexico. And then depending on the time it is, since I don't like driving at night, but we're gonna hope to make it from Riley, New Mexico all the way to Ardmore, Oklahoma. But to get there, to actually just go to the hotel room and stay there. Um, I told my wife, you know what? We should get an Airbnb. And the wifey said, what did you say, Alyssa? She said, hell no. So, so yeah, you guys. So we're staying at a hotel. Not sure which one, but whichever one it is, I'll end up recording then. But like I said, I will be recording on the trip down there. There probably won't be that much talking. I'll probably put some of the a song or some music in the background, a background music, as we're traveling down there. Man, my wife is snoring so loud. No joke. I told her one day I'm gonna record you when you're snoring, and this is the day. So if you guys heard her snoring, it's because she's snoring loud. But other than that, you guys, I will see you guys probably tomorrow, Monday. I'm posting this video live right now. I'm not at the point where I can do live streaming, but other than that, I mean, like I said, I'll be posting this video now and putting another video up tomorrow, and then Tuesday at 3 in the morning, I'll start recording from the time we leave from here. You know. So yeah. So wish us all luck, you guys. Bless us with you guys on your guys' behalf. We're gonna make the trip. We're hoping to make it in one whole day. But like I said, we're not in a hurry to make it there. We're just hoping to make it there at a good time frame where we're good. But the only part of it, you guys, is that if we go to a hotel and we make it there at 10, that means I have to pay for the whole Tuesday. So just hoping that we make it in good timing to a point where we arrive there Wednesday early morning, so that way we have to pay only from Wednesday all the way until Sunday. Because Sunday on the 10th is when we're coming back to California. So yeah, so other than that, you guys, if you like this little small clip, give me a like. I know it wasn't much. I'm not showing much. I'm just showing you guys me laying on my bed at the moment. But this is I am gonna be vlogging up there. I'm gonna be with my wife's family out there. So I haven't seen my mother-in-law probably for about maybe. Oh, well, I see it through FaceTime. I mean, I don't know if that makes a difference, you guys, but I mean, up front, probably about maybe 2 years or something, or maybe a little bit more. But we're gonna go out there, go see her, and the rest of the family up there, and take it from there, you know. And I have a lot of stuff this month, you guys, a lot of content for you guys, so you guys are gonna get a lot of content. There's a lot of stuff I've been doing, but I haven't bothered to record, you guys, so that kind of sucks. I put like LEDs on my car, you know, I'm getting it ready for the road. Tomorrow I'm going to a dealership, doing an oil change, you know. So yeah, so then after I do the oil change, I'm gonna go, hopefully, possibly putting 2 good tires, because I had put tires before my car broke down. Oh yeah, if you guys didn't know, I have a new motor in the car. It has 0 miles. You know, it probably has right now maybe about 900 miles into it, barely. But it was gonna be like 99,500 miles, and it broke down, and it was a mortar, you guys, on the 2017 Kia Soul. It was a busted mortar, and blessing, you guys, miracle. And my wife's aunt said it's a miracle in disguise. So yeah, it was, you guys. I'm kind of happy, you know. We did get a new motor in it, you know, 0 miles, you know. So hopefully it lasts another 99,100 miles into it again. But other than that, you guys, we have a new motor. We're gonna break that motor into it by making the trip. So, like I said, I'm doing an oil change tomorrow at Kia in Paris, making that oil change, and then from there, coming back home, getting the 2 new tires. Hopefully, it's needed. Get my tools ready. You know, get my tools ready, and yeah. So other than that, you guys, wife is snoring loud. You guys hear? She's probably not gonna like that when she sees this video, but so yeah, so yeah, so tomorrow, so today, you guys, I'm getting a couple more stuff from the store, you know, getting everything ready for Tuesday. Monday, I have a busy day. I gotta go get the oil change done to the car at 7 in the morning, be done within a 4 or 5 hour frame. Then after that, going to the America's Tires, getting hopefully a set of tires, a pair of tires, brand new tires into it, and then switch out my turn signal lights into LEDs as well. So yeah, so I mean, I have little things here and there I'm gonna throw content of, you know, so you guys gonna be getting a little bit of what's gonna be going on. I'm hoping I'm doing pieces by piece, you guys. So I'll probably record for 8 hours, get some contact, cut it up, and then in a 10-hour frame of us traveling, I'll make a video and post it up for that same day on Tuesday, and then that same day on Tuesday, I'll record from Riley, New Mexico, all the way to Ardmore, Oklahoma, and then I'll edit that video. You guys might see that video until Wednesday, and then after that, I'll probably post that video Wednesday night or Wednesday morning, or midday. I'll post that video up. That way you guys can see it. And then after that, I'll do little videos here and there, with the family, going out. We've never traveled out of state, so this is our first trip. So, like I said, you guys bless us, bless us and just show us you guys are there. We're doing the traveling, and if I do end up liking it, you guys, I think I may be traveling more than, because I never traveled before. So yeah, so all right, you guys, have a good morning. Hopefully everything's going good for you guys, and like a lot of other viewers say, is keep on moving forward. Just don't worry about what happens along the ways, because when it happens, and if it doesn't happen, you're good. And the wifey snoring very loud.